big boy. We're gonna come out here and face me. I dare you to come out and face me. If you have a pulse between that your two legs, come and face me. Mom, leave me alone.
It's okay, my daughter. You've made your point. I'm sure Prince Ogonna has learnt his lessons, okay? Let's go.
I dare you, Ogonna. I'll teach you a lesson you will not forget in a hurry.
It's okay.
If I am not
it's alright. And you, what are you still here? Will you go and hold her?
Come out here. What are you doing? Get out of my face. Get out of my mouth.
It's alright.
Mom, leave me alone.
Just calm down, my dear.
I will teach you Ogonna a lesson you will not forget in a hurry. I will tell Ogonna that I am Princess Angela.
I know, dear.
I'll tell Ogonna that I am the one he is dealing with in this.
They will surely pay for it. Just calm down, okay?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine what Angela is vomiting from her mouth? Angela starts to urinate. Why in our one human being has to got to talk to me?
Son, this is temptation. Please, let her go on and say whatever she wants to say. It won't remove anything from your body. Please, it won't make you less of a man. Allow her. Ignore her.
Oh, for how long? For how long should I go on ignoring Angela? For how long? This is a result of always ignoring her. I've told you. Allow me deal with Angela. Just a little time to deal with her.
Son, no. She's a woman for crying out loud. Oh, just allow her. Huh?
Did you hear that? No, listen.
Ugonna.
Did you hear that?
Ugonna, please.
Did you hear that?
Ugonna, please. Just
I've told you, allow me to.
Ugonna, please. Ugonna, why? Eh? Do you want to kill me? Do you want to kill your mother, Ugonna? Please, let's go upstairs. Eh? Everyone knows Angela as a mad girl in this palace. Ugonna. Two people cannot be mad at the same time. Please, ignore her. Let us go upstairs. Come, let's go upstairs.
Stop this car. I don't want to go again.
What is it now? Take it easy, baby.
I said stop the car.
What is it?
Hey, what do you mean what is it? I don't. Stop this car. Stop this car. Something wrong with the car. I said you should stop the car. Eh?
So what is it problem?
See, if you come close to me, I'll use this thing and persist your head.
Baby, what is the problem with you now? Please, come now. Your heart is still.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Osam, come. Osam, what is the problem now?
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. I don't want you. Leave me alone. Matching the water. I see your water. Baby. If I like, I'll jump on top of the water.
Your heart is still. They will kidnap you.
Somebody will kidnap you and fire you there. They want your baby. Get out. Get out. Get out of this place. Stupid man. Don't stupid boy for now. Water your water. Now water.
Hey, somebody help you.
I have told you it's okay. It's okay.
Mom, the next time that idiot will cross my path again, I will teach him a lesson he will not forget in a hurry. I will tell him I'm the princess of this kingdom. He has the rights as well as I have.
It's alright. I've heard it. It's okay. My princess, please calm down. Please.
What are you doing here? Get out of here! Amibo, Onyala, come on, don't about so idiot.
Angela.
Mom, please!
I have told you to be calming down. You're a woman.
Mom, don't preach me again!
Mom, I am going to tell her. I am going to deal with her. I am going to sit Angela where she belongs in this palace.
I wish your father was alive. This was what I was afraid of. This was my fear all this while. I knew this would surely happen.
Mom.
Yes, I knew it.
What are you afraid of? What? Angela? You're afraid of Angela? One man said. Mom, do not bother yourself. I can handle Angela. I can handle her myself.
Oh, son. I do not want you to get involved with Angela and her troubles in this palace. One thing I am sure of is that someday, Angela will surely meet her match.
Mom, until Sunday comes. Until that day, I, Prince Ugonna, will take my rightful place in this palace. I am not going to allow Angela and her mother dictate what happens around here. It's not going to happen. I won't allow it to happen just because I want peace to reign. It won't happen. Mom, it won't happen.
Mama? Good afternoon. Where? I want to come now. Mama, is someone back?
No. I thought both of you went out together. Is she not with you?
Mama, we went out together. On our way coming back, she started screaming at me. Shouting I should stop the car. I just had to stop the car in the middle of the road.
She started screaming at you?
Yes, so dragging the steering wheel.
Just like that?
Just like that. Mama. I even tried to stop her.
What are you doing here? Remember, did I not tell you not to come here? Osama, I warned you never to step your miserable foot into my father's compound. Can you hear me?
Osama, now.
What has gotten into you? Are you okay? Is it a crime that this someone loves you? Mama, it's a crime. It's a crime. Get out. Get out. Get out. Come back to the phone. What's wrong with you, son? Mama, leave me. Are you okay? Mama, what's okay? Mama, leave me. Mama, leave me. Get out.
I should go.
I said get out. Get out. Onyala, get out. You want to know what you don't want to go? Okay. Just enter the vehicle. Enter. Osman, are you mad? Osman, Mama, let me scatter this car. Osman, what is that? What is mad? What is the problem, Osman? I don't want to go to this house. I'm going to leave you alone. Osman, is it my fault? I don't want. I don't want to say. Mama, there's nothing. You should leave me alone. Nonsense. Osman, want to get married? Want to get married? Osama, in this house, rubbish, idiot. You're coming to my father's house when I already told you that I don't want anything to do with you. I don't like you. Is it my fault? Nonsense. I don't understand. What is wrong with you, someone? Why is she my bait? Kai! Chineke Papa for a job.
What kind of brother are you? We said brother. What kind of brother are you? What is it? You cannot even help your brother. What kind of brother are you? Give me money to start up business. Why is it too much for you? Give me money. Let me start up business and be useful to myself. What is it?
Brother Ebuka, I don't want to go inside and come back and meet you here. Leave my house. What is all this now?
I am going nowhere.
Ebuka, leave my house.
I am going nowhere. You can use every arsenal at your disposal. Call the police, call army, call Mopo. In fact, what is it? Collins. Help me. If you're not tired of seeing me like this, I'm tired of seeing myself like this.
Brother Ebuka, I owe you nothing. All my wealth, everything I got, I suffer for it. That my sweat. I ought to give to whosoever I want to give. You cannot force me. I don't want to give to you. Get down, leave my house. Ebuka, leave my house. I'll change it for you. Get down, leave my house. Ebuka, leave my house.
We have different destinies. Our destinies are different. Your own destiny might be to work hard and make money. My own is for you to help me and make money. Give me money. Let me start business. If you're not tired of seeing me like this, I'm tired of seeing myself like this. Give me money. Help me. I'm your elder brother. Help me.
Did I do anything wrong? Anoka! Come here. Ebuka, open this door, Ebuka. Open this door. Hi, Ebuka, you are doomed. Okay, for I'll kill you. Ebuka, open this door.
Relax, your head is very hot. Relax more there. Calm down. Your head is hot.
Ebuka, my house. You don't know how much they sell cement. Ebuka, you've not moved cement or block before. Ebuka.
Osama, you are my child. I am your mother, and I will not deceive you or tell you why. Osama, your behavior is really giving me cause to worry. I am very, very worried. I mean, no man would like to marry you because of your attitude. You should learn on how to control your anger at times. Become one. I don't understand. Mama, what are Is this the reason you called me out here? Someone listen to me. There is nothing for me to listen to now.
What do you mean I should listen to you? It's very obvious to me that you don't even have anything to tell me. You say I should listen to you. Listen to you for what? What do you mean men that would want to marry me and they will not marry me because of my character? Who cares? Did I ever tell you that I want to get married? Come on, let them go to hell and burn to ashes. I don't care.
Shut up your mouth to someone. Will you shut up? Do you know what you're talking about? Which man would even like to marry with this character? Who?
Yes, Mama. Mama, leave me alone. Oh. Leave me alone, please.
You're not ashamed of yourself.
I'm not ashamed of you. You have anything reasonable to say.
Osama, come back here, Osama.
Chineke me.
What kind of girl is this? Go on, again.
Don't get distracted. You must remain focused to the core. You must remain focused to the core. Remember, they do not have anything to lose, but you do. Always remember this, son.
It's okay, Mom, I will. I will. It's just that Angela has a way of pissing me off all the time. You know, she always gets on my nerve.
Then avoid her. Yes, avoid her as much as you can. If possible, ignore her. Angela is trouble personified. We all in this palace know her. But you have to be very careful, son. Very, very careful. Always remember this. Okay?
Mom, it's okay. It's okay.
I am tired. I need to go get some rest in my room.
Okay. You know you're the best mom in the whole world. That's why Dad always trusts your counsel. Because you're the best mom in the whole world.
I am always here for you, son. That is why I'm your mother, to guide you. I will be in my room now.
Okay.
You startled me.
Mom,
what is it?
Everyone thinks Angela is mad. Angela is crazy. Angela is this. You see what I've been telling you, Mom? If you had listened to me, all this thing wouldn't have happened.
Angela, what is it? What are you talking about?
Mom, I overheard Prince Ugonna and his mother's conversation. We're in big trouble, Mom. If we don't make these people realize we have as much right as they do, Mom, they will throw us out.
Angela, stop getting yourself unnecessarily worked up. You are too young for a heartache. Remember, I am the first Lola in this palace.
Mom, you did not give birth to the heir to the throne. Queen Amara did. And by right, that gives her an edge over you. Think about it, Mom.
Angela.
Mom.
I have headache. I need rest. Please go to your room.
Mom?
I said, go to your room.
Sit by me. Where did you start? Miss Angela.
let me call you back.
Collins, this is not a fighting matter. I've come for us to settle this amicably. Just give me some money to start up a trade. You have money. You are very rich.
So?
Collins, look at me. Am I getting younger? I am not. I need to start up a trade. I mean, it sounds so stupid, so funny to me when you say you don't have money to give me. Eh? Look at your expensive house. Look at the expensive cars. Is it the expensive furniture inside the house? Look at the clothes, the wristwatch, the phone, everything you use costs fortune. Is it Nigerian ego? Eh? What can you know who gets you open?
Bro Rebuka, are you calculating all my assets? Are you calculating all the worth of my house and cars? Hey, Bro Rebuka, I'm asking you, were you the one that made this money for me? Where were you when I was making this money? I made all these things for my personal comfort. Bro Rebuka, I owe you no apology on how I spend my money. So I'm telling you now, I don't have money to give to you. Go to the village where you belong to. Look at your hand now. Go to the village, Versace, you're wearing designers. If you go to the village and you're dressed like this, Bobo and Kitty, you will see all these Cotonou girls and numerous girls you used to squander your money on. Leave me alone. Leave this house, Bro Rebuka.
Collins, if it is because of this hand in my pocket, I know you don't owe me any explanation on how you spend your money. I know. I'm not dragging your money with you. But all I'm saying is that settle Lomo, you are here complaining I'm disturbing you and disturbing you. Settle me. If you settle me, I will not disturb you. Settle Lomo,
I should settle you.
Simple.
Ibalmo boy, I'm asking you, did you serve me? Did I tell you I own a shop in a makeup for?
Collins, I don't know. Yeah, as in if I told you I want to serve you, will you take me as an apprentice? Eh? Will you have the mind to take me as an apprentice? Okay, check this thing now. What are we arguing?
No,
eh?
I see where you're coming from, but I don't have anything to tell you, Bro Rebuka. All I have to say now is that before I go and come back, I don't want to see in this house. I don't see.
Nah, Collins, what if you don't understand what I'm saying, though? Eh? You don't want us to settle this thing peacefully. Eh? If you don't want to give me this money peacefully, I will take it forcefully. You give me money.
You take my money forcefully?
Yeah.
You give me money, brother. You take my money forcefully.
You give me money. You give me money. You will settle me.
Bro Rebuka, you did not work this money for me. I am going out. By the time I come back to this house,
I'm not going anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere
at all. You give me money.
Block me now. Anoka.
Oga. Okay, Oga. Eh? You don't want to peacefully give me the money. I will collect it forcefully, oh.
Block the road now.
Give me money, oh.
Thank you.
Give me money, oh. Give me money, Collins. Give me money. Collins, no, do you want to hit your elder brother? No, Collins, do you want to hit your elder brother? You want to hit your... Collins, or hit me. Hit me, Collins. Take me to wherever you're going to. What is it? Give me money and you're just saying all this rubbish.
Eh?
Give me money. Take me, let us go outside. What is it? Settle me. Let's go. Oga, you go kill am. What is it? Oga, you go. You don't know say na ritual you do, Oga. Hey, what? Oga, hey. What do I want you like this? I'm not getting my number. Police, hey, Oga. You want to kill me? Oga, you want to kill me, idiot? Go and come back, I'm waiting for you. Okay, you want to kill yourself? If I slap you, we'll go like idiot. Or one nigga okay, see your brother? All these things, sometimes not the way people prosper. You don't have to fight everybody. You don't have to fight everybody.
Please, go now. It has been more than 1 year now. Your father, our late Igwe, passed on. And since then, the throne of our fathers has been vacant. And we don't know how long we are going to wait for you to ascend the throne. From the look of things, it seems you are not ready yet.
My prince, we think it is time for you to occupy the seat of your fathers. We can no longer wait because Amokwe has become a mockery among other villages. We are like sheep without a shepherd. And we cannot continue like this. We need to move forward. We need development in this community. And we cannot achieve this if we not have a leader. So please, think about it and do something. We want a king, my prince. We want a leader. And now is the time.
My elders, I've heard all your submissions and your complaints. And I want to assure you that I have the interest of this community at heart. So in no time, things will fall into places.
My prince, we have been hearing this from you. We want you to do something as soon as possible. Please.
And what are you doing? I asked you to wash my car.
Sorry, President.
I asked you to wash my car! Stupid!
And what's that for? Huh? What's wrong with you? Do you realize that this is a palace and not a marketplace? Do you realize that I'm having a meeting with the others?
And how does that interfere with your meeting? How?
Did you just ask that stupid question?
No.
You just created a scene and you're asking me that.
Now let me tell you something, Ogona. I am the princess of this palace and I can as well do what I want. So mind your business.
And that does not include enslaving your subject. That is inhuman. There are better ways to do this than slapping and creating shame. Hey, come on. Be civil.
Ogona, mind your business. I am the princess. If I want to shout, I can shout if I so please. If I want to dance, I can dance. So please mind your business. Stupid.
My prince, please calm down.
Yes.
Please calm down.
Calm down.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry for that.
Mama, look at how you're shining. Look at your skin. It's glowing.
God is faithful.
All the time. All the time. Mama, I don't know if Ebuka contacted you. He told me he was coming back last week. Until now, I have not heard anything from him. I hope he's okay.
He's not yet back.
Why now?
Awesome, why now?
Sorry.
Are you asking me?
Sorry.
Ha. You should ask him. Don't you have his number? Call him and ask him why he is not yet back. I don't know why now.
I have his number.
Call him.
I don't have credit.
Huh? You don't have credit? Get one about bugging without credit. You, a young girl like you don't have credit. It's me, a mother like me, that will have credit.
We're not the same thing now. Your son is very rich.
My son is rich. But I don't have credit. I only have flashing power.
Let me... Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, let me just flash him now. He will call back. Thank you. Mama, will you be here while I flash you?
I won't be here. So well done. Let me go inside. You are right. Give me my phone. Let me go inside.
Sorry. Slip of tongue.
Call him, and make sure he does not pick that call. If he picks it, you must buy me credit here and now.
He pick your call.
Okay.
He's a rich boy. City boy. Mama, what did you save his number with?
Don't you have his number?
Sorry.
Press the number, the name will come out. You're supposed to have the number off head. Is he not your love?
Man, my dad want me challenge. Sometimes. He's not taking his calls.
Oh, you even want him to pick the call when I told you that I only have flashing power.
I'm sorry, you're flashing. I flashed him, but he didn't touch the phone. Let me flash him again.
Why is Mama flashing me now? Why is Mama flashing me? Mama, 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 I put a merry go 40 years, get on board, Mama. I put a man canon. Eh? What kind of problem is this? I think I need to go back to the village. My staying here is pure waste of time. Hope Collins are Mochiko. Collins will be attacking and married. This boy had already helped him. This boy is not even ready to help me at all. At least if I go down to the village now, I will be with my Chikwadon. Oh, Chikwadon. I know she must be missing me by now. Yeah, man, I'll go down to the village.
Bikunam, I want you to forgive my daughter Usoma. Please, forgive her.
Mommy, you know I've forgiven someone before now.
Okay.
I don't have any grudges against her. I love your daughter. Just that the only problem I have is sometimes her mood changes and don't wake up me when the mother.
You see, that is why you are a man. You should learn on how to calm her down. Usoma, my daughter, is a very good girl. Not even good girl. She's beautiful and she's a good girl. Just that, you know, she is hot-tempered. But that shouldn't make you to abandon her. And I hope your intentions to marry her hasn't changed.
Mama, don't go there. I will marry her whether on a beer or not a beer.
Hey, you
I love her. Thank you, ma.
Hey!
Just be with me. That is just what I want.
You see, just be with you. I am with you already.
Thank you, ma.
I'm with you.
Thank you.
There she comes. I told you she doesn't stay out long. She's not just beautiful, but she's reserved.
What's up, baby? Hey, what's up, mom? What's up, baby?
You again? What did you say, Adraima? What did I tell you the last time? Did I not tell you never to step your foot into this compound again? As a matter of fact, I chased you away. And you're here again. What are you doing? What are you doing here?
Baby, please.
Mama,
Usoma, are you okay?
Am I okay?
My mother is asking if I'm okay. You're asking if I'm okay. Usoma.
I can say that he loves me.
I love.
You love me. What did I tell you the last time that you were here?
I said I love you.
I said it, oh. Osama, I don't have to go. I told you vividly that you should not repeat this journey again.
Mama, please.
You should not repeat this journey.
Oh, what is
you
happening?
Should not... Hey! Say this one again.
Hey!
Are you mad? What's up? Friend! Osama, are you just standing? Come and help me. Osama! Fred! Mama, is he okay? Hey! I'm coming. Hey!
I've had enough from that Nikombo that calls herself my sister. She has done the worst.
Let it go.
No. I am going to teach her a lesson. I am going to teach her a lesson of her life. I am going to show her that I'm in charge in this place. Angela is the kind of person that learns easily. So, I am going to teach her a lesson in my own way.
Not now. Ugonna, not now. Focus on your coronation first. When you become the king, you can do whatever you want and no one will stop you. This could be an attempt to stop you. Please, do not fall for it.
I don't think so. I am the heir to the throne. I am not in competition with anybody.
Ugonna, only the living and the healthy can rule over the affairs of his people. I've told you the series of battles I went through in this palace to protect you. Ugonna, you don't trust anyone. The same enemies live, dine and wine with us in this palace. You have to be wise. That is all I have to say for now.
What were you thinking? If you haven't learnt anything, have you not learnt to conceal your anger? Keep your emotions in check.
Mom! You slapped me?
That wasn't necessary, Angela. Get hold of yourself. Learn to keep your anger under total control. Now, I am warning you for the last time. Don't ever repeat what you did in the past in front of the elders ever again.
Mom,
I hope I have made myself clear.
Hi. What's it water? Hey. 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 Come on, gently. Gently. Fred. Go. Gently. Ow! Go. 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 Ow! Fred! Fred, come! Hey! Fred, come! Fred! Fred! Now come! Fred, Bia, come! Hey! This is the 4th man in 6 months. The 4th man in 6 months. Osonwa, you have ended up chasing Fred away as well. What have I done to you? Osonwa, what have I done to you? Is it a sin that I born you? That I have you as a child? Osonwa, ana m ekwu ine otu a. Onye akwụkwọ na-atọ. What has come over you? Look at you. Onye akwụkwọ. Onye akwụkwọ.
This is your transport fare back to the village.
How much is that?
What sort of question is that? Did you give me any money to keep for you?
No, I want to know because I don't trust you. You can never give me something substantial. I don't want to get to the road and be stranded. Because how much can I?
Rebecca, you're such an ingrate. Honestly speaking. Yes, you. Well, this is 20,000 naira and it will take you back to the village conveniently. And I'm sure you still have some left.
20,000 naira. Ordinary 20,000 naira. After spending weeks in the city, he named 20,000. Hey, Collins, don't you realize when I get home, I'm going to meet my friends and loved ones that will welcome me? What will I give them? Only 20,000 that I'm going to use to buy them something. Diego na this 20,000 because add something.
You need to give them something when you get home. As youth chairman on 180 Laura. Okay, I don't blame you. You think to make money is easy. Abi, I don't blame you. Well, this envelope, give it to Mama. This is for her upkeep. Bro, if you like, do as usual. Take from there or steal from there rather.
So you're not going to add something to this 20,000 naira? Or what did you eat here?
Rebecca, if you leave, shut my door. Come and put in my pocket and collect 20,000 naira. It's easy to make. Collect it now, bring it out from your pocket. Great.
Record. Madoka. Let me even count this money because I know Collins. Only the chain and the Yahoo. No difference. This money might not even be complete.
I'm not comfortable with this arrangement. Someone like me shouldn't be doing this. Please.
Calm down. We're here already. Relax, okay? I'm going to call Dimma. That is why we're here. You know?
He says so.
Your Majesty. How are you? Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Good day, my queen.
Good day, you're welcome. Young lady, please sit.
Thank you.
Maureen, so how are you?
I'm fine. So sorry. Why you have not heard from me as promised was because the things didn't work out as planned. We're here now.
You're welcome.
This is my daughter Anne, the one I told you about.
Oh, wow. I didn't know she is this beautiful.
Thank you, my queen.
How are you, my dear?
I'm fine, my queen.
Anne has just finished her PhD. I hope you and your son will find her worthy.
Oh, for me, she's okay. She's okay, yes. But you know, I would like to get my son's opinion. Yes, yes. So, Anne, what did you study in school?
I studied international relations. in my first degree. Second degree, I did mass communication.
Very good. Very good. I like that. That's nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anyway, my son will be here shortly. He went for board of directors meeting. I'm even expecting him back home. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening. Where is the supervisor here?
He's inside.
I want to see him, please.
Okay, a minute.
Greetings, my princess.
May that greeting send you to your early grave. What are you doing here?
As you can see, we are doing our work.
On whose permission are you working on this site? I've warned you to stay away from this site.
The prince, Prince Ugonna.
Prince Ugonna asked you to come and work on this site?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you mad? Are you stupid? Are you okay? Now let me warn you. By the time I go out of this place and come back, I don't want to see you or any of these people here.
Why, if I may ask, my princess?
Are you stupid? You're asking me, Princess Angela. If you may ask, let me go and come back and meet you here. All of you will spend the rest of your lives in jail. Does that make sense? Stupid dumbass.
Quite impressive. I am so impressed. I think my son will like to marry someone very intelligent like you.
Thank you, my queen.
You're welcome. Wow, Maureen, you did a great job here.
Oh, thank you.
Yes. She seems as intelligent as you were then in school. You see, I want someone who will help my son. Someone who will encourage him, support him. Someone who will contribute meaningfully to the affairs of this kingdom. I believe in the saying that behind every successful man, there is a great woman. And I think Anne, your daughter here, fits into that position.
Oh. It will be a great joy for me if our friendship transcends into family. And my daughter will make a very good wife for your son, Prince Ugonna.
I can see that already. I can see that. Talking about my son, I think he is back. Oh, yes. Excuse me.
Hello?
Yeah, my prince. Good day, it's me. Yes, it's me. No, it's the princess, Princess Angela. Yes, she came here threatening that she will take us all out and put us to prison if we don't leave here.
What? My sister asked your men out of the site? For what? Is she still there?
Yes, yes. Please call out to order, please. I don't want me and my men to be harmed or arrested.
Okay, I'm coming.
Son,
Mom?
Are you not coming in first? You have a guest.
Mom, I have to get to the site now. It's very urgent.
What about your guests? They have been waiting for a while now.
Mom, they can wait for me. If they cannot wait, they should go and come back next time, please.
Huh.
Come on, let's go.
One day,
Your eyes go clear one day.
How was your journey?
Mama, you have seen me now. You have seen me, I'm back. Dikeh is back.
What of Collins, your brother?
Mama, let me ask you, are you sure Collins is my blood brother? No, tell me the truth. I am your first son. Forget whatever, just tell me the truth, I can handle it. Is Collins my blood brother?
Ebuka, what are you insinuating? Are you trying to say that I cheated on my late husband or what?
Mama, you don't need to be angry. You don't need to be angry. I know why I'm asking. Oh. I know. Because the Collins I met in the city is not even behaving as if you are related in any way. Mama, your son Collins is very wicked. More wicked than the Jezebel. Go to the city and see the kind of house he's living in. From the furniture down to the appliances, even the utensils in the kitchen were imported. Collins is in a bishop in a city. He's living like a king. When his only brother is wallowing in poverty in this village. He has refused to help his only brother. It's imagine again, Collins or Funam.
Ebuka, are you done talking? Ikuchago ko
Mama, hearing now, this is the only thing you have to say.
Do you know what you'll do? Just carry your bag and go inside. Carry your box inside.
Mama, I'm hungry. Give me food, I'm hungry.
Ebuka,
Did Collins give me food? Did he give me food? You see Collins, go for Collins. I am here to decide how we are going to end it. Collins has decided not to help me. I have decided not to give him peace. I will disturb him. I will trouble him until he settles me. Even the Bible says there is no peace for the wicked. No peace for the wicked though. Collins is the wicked, and I have decided not to give him peace.
Ebuka.
Mama Emunni.
Ebuka.
Mama Emunni. I'm hungry. Friends. Give me food. Let me eat.
Ebuka, friends. No food for you.
Amara wants her son, Prince Ugonna, to marry a highly educated girl. PhD holder for that matter. What will become of us, my daughter and I? I said it. I said that these people have a bad intention all this while. If not, why would she want to marry a highly educated girl? If not to intimidate my daughter and I. Amara. So this is your plan? No, I will not allow this. I will not. There must be something I can do. Alice. What do I do now? How are you? Where is your mother, Ugochi? Usonwa, I am talking to you. I said, where is your mother, Ugochi? Are you deaf? I said, where is your mother? Hey! Oh my God! Yeah. Are you mad? Is there anything wrong with you?
You're asking me if I'm mad. You're asking me if I'm mad. You're asking me if I'm mad, okay? Wait for madness. Wait for the real madness, idiot.
Oh my God!
Please, let's leave. Please, my queen, let's leave.
Look at my book.
Please, let's leave, my queen.
Oh! This... Oh!
I'm so sorry, my queen. Alex, I heard your voice.
Oh! Did you see what your daughter did to me? Did you see what your daughter did to me?
Well, someone did this to you.
Oh my God!
Hey!
Let's go! Let's go!
Alice, I am sorry. Alice! Alice! You're asking me if I'm mad. You're asking me. Look at me, you're asking me if I'm mad. Don't break your head. It's nonsense. Yeah? Come on, get out of this compound. Get out of this place. People, stop it. Nonsense. Come into someone's compound. You're asking me question. Where is your mother? Where is your mother? Did I see that? Am I mad? You see madness, oh? You see madness and you run away. Idiot. Because you think you're a queen. I'm a queen in my kingdom. This is my own kingdom. Rubbish.
I have never been that scared in my life before. What if she had used that cutlass on me, Ugochi? Now listen, I am sitting here discussing with you because we've come a long way. If not, I will not be here.
I know. Alice, I know. I am so sorry about that. It is because of our friendship over the years that I took my time to come all the way to see you, to apologize to you. I am sorry. And I don't really want you to take to heart what happened that day. Please, I am sorry. Most times, she is like that. Oh yes.
But that's dangerous. She could harm someone or even hurt herself. Listen, Ugochi, you need to do something about someone's condition as fast as possible. Yes.
That's good.
Mom, better warn Ugonna. If I ever see anyone on that property again, I'll do something terrible to that person.
What happened? Just calm down and talk to me.
Mom, Ugonna sent people to go and work on that property. You better warn Ugonna. That property belongs to me and I will not share it with anybody. If Ugonna dares to step his feet on that property again, Ugonna will be shocked at the terror he will unleash in me. Better warn Ugonna. He should stay away from that property. Else.
Angela.
Please quickly rush to the evening market and get these items. Cook the soup. And I don't want it salty or watery like usual. And if you know you will not cook it, please keep it for me. When I return, I will do it the way I like.
What are you trying to say? That a big girl like me doesn't know how to cook ordinary okra soup.
I am
not
saying so. Someone. Oh, just to apply a little
caution. Apply again. Mama, you want me to cook a very delicious soup? You went there, ask for 15 naira.
Are you blind?
Mama, this is 15 naira. How gonna do?
Can't you see it?
Okay, it's 200. Tubado, hand go. Ego. Verenka. 1,000 naira. One more thing. Don't go to the market and fight anybody.
Yeah.
Don't go and fight.
Mama, what's the meaning of that? Eh? Did I tell you I have time for that? Why am I going to go?
Let's take leg and go. Is that not the market?
Okay, I'm going to
What up,
no problem, Mama. But you be expecting me tomorrow. I won't come back to you. Tomorrow.
Osama, tomorrow. Don't go and fight anybody in the market. Don't fight anybody.